Want to know how to delay your audios in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do so easily. So let's get right into it. So first off, launch Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now double click on the audio to select the entire part of the audio. Now navigate towards effects and then go to delay and reverb and then click on delay, that is on the first one right here. And here you'll be noticing a dialog box appear with the settings, so you can tweak it as you want. So you can select the delay time and the decibels of delay, etc. And once you're done, just simply click apply, and after a while you can see the change in the waveform as well, and that's the delay being applied. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.